Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to contact Nextdoor customer service. To contact Nextdoor customer service, first of all, open up a web browser. Inside the URL box on your web browser, type in nextdoor.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your Nextdoor account as well. After you are signed in, go ahead and get to this help option, which is available right on your home page. Now you'll end up in this business help option where you can look for a specific help you need. Type down your topic of help you need in the search box and you will be guided through the possible help. If you can't find what you're looking for, directly click on the Contact Us button. This will take you to a form where you can describe your issue. Select the question from the drop-down, click on the little drop-down and choose the topic from the drop-down menu. In the Relating To field, go ahead and select another topic that is related to your issue. Right after you select an issue, you will be guided through possible helps from the customer support team. You can also look for the Help Center option and look for relatable articles that you need help with. So that is how you visit and contact the Nextdoor customer service from the nextdoor.com website. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.